Biochemical. Relating to the chemical processes and substances that occur within living organisms. Similar words to biochemical. Biological, related to life and living organisms. Molecular, pertaining to molecules, especially in biological processes. Chemical, involving substances and their reactions. Physiological, related to the normal functions of living organisms. Organic, relating to living matter or carbon-based compounds. Biomolecular, referring to molecules present in living organisms. Enzymatic, involving enzymes in chemical reactions within living beings. Metabolic, relating to metabolism, the chemical processes in organisms. Opposite words to biochemical. Inorganic, not derived from living organisms, not carbon-based. Artificial, man-made rather than naturally occurring. Synthetic, produced artificially through chemical processes. Physical, related to physics rather than biological chemistry. Non-organic, lacking organic or biological components. Mechanical, involving physical or machine-based processes rather than chemical ones. Non-biological, unrelated to biological systems or life processes. The scientist studied the biochemical reactions in plant cells. Digestion is a complex biochemical process that breaks down food into energy. The medicine was designed to correct a biochemical imbalance in the brain. Biochemical research has helped develop life-saving drugs. The body's biochemical changes during exercise improve metabolism.